Good morning.
So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna finish lashing up all of our planks and cutting down all the trees that we need for all the planks.
Yeah, so we're back out here. This is day 3, and we still need to, if you've watched our first 2 videos, we still need to finish lashing down our big support beams that we got up there last time. So we need to lash those in, and then we're going to start cutting all the planks that we're going to lay down across them. We came out super prepared. It is we've got food and pots and pans and all of our work tools today. We'll put our pack list in the description down below. But it is once again pretty darn cold. It is about 22 degrees out here today. So as always, what's one of the first things we're going to do?
Start a fire.
Start a fire. So here we go. Okay, so Tristan got our fire started here, and we had a lot of rain this week. So you can see, even picking up our dry sticks that are hanging up off the ground, you can still see them bubbling out water, things in there. So it's going to take a little bit to get some coals going here, and then we'll be good to go. All right, I'm up on our ladder, and I said it rained a lot this week, so you can hear and see that creek just rushing down there. So beautiful. Right now, I'm up on this far corner of the shelter. I'm gonna slide our secondary beam into place and lash it over there up against that crook tree right there. That'll hold the other edge of our beam in place. All right, it's snack time. What are you guys munching on?
Big Newtons.
Big Newtons. A lot of energy.
Jerky, homemade jerky.
Homemade beef jerky. Good protein, some fat. What you got over there, buddy? Granola bar.
It's a chewy, small granola bar.
So again, our little rock here has been awesome. It's the perfect spot to regroup. We've been working hard. We got our beams lashed up. We got our ladder in its final resting spot. And now we are getting ready to start cutting the planks, the logs for our floor. So that'll be next. We'll take some measurements and we'll start laying those and lashing those up, and we should have most of a platform by the end of the day.
We have a surprise snack, so stay tuned.
Oh yes, and a surprise snack coming shortly. All right, what do you guys got for snack?
We've got astronaut ice cream, vanilla ice cream sandwich.
Astronaut ice cream?
Yeah.
Why did we bring that out?
Because it doesn't melt.
It doesn't melt.
It doesn't
It's
freeze.
super lightweight.
Yes, it is.
And it's a tasty treat. Look at that ice cream sandwich.
I think mine broke. Because it feels like it did. Okay, let's open this up. Oh, mine broke
We love
too.
carrying nice lightweight snacks. That way we don't have to lug big heavy packs, huh?
So you can see right here, it's really dry. It's really powdery. First bite.
But it looks just like an ice cream sandwich. How's it taste?
And it's kind of dry.
It's kind of dry. Does it taste like an ice cream sandwich though?
It does.
Nice.
It's just
Alright.
like dry ice cream. It's like if you put it in.
And then as always, we practice leave no trace, so all of that garbage ends up in a little garbage bag over here that we will pack out with us, right? We don't want to ruin the woods. We're out here to enjoy not seeing trash. Okay, so we are ready to go cut some of our smaller trees to go across our supports for our planks that we'll stand on for our platform. And so what we did, again, without having a tape measure, you take a little piece of paracord. We're looking for trees about that big around, so about 3 inches maybe in diameter. So we've got this, we'll walk around, we'll find some nice straight trees that are maybe a little bigger, maybe a little smaller, but good and strong. And then today, since we'll be cutting down lots of trees, we brought out another tool. This is a little folding bow. And all you have to do, pull the blade out, and the saw pops open. And you can see 2 little notches down inside here. And that is for the end of our saw blade. He goes up in there, locks in place on one of those screws, comes to the other end, and it's got a little barrel that you turn to tension them up. And when you're done, you've got a little saw to go cut down our trees. It'll make it a little bit faster than our hatchets or axes. So here we go. Even working her way up the big hill. You can see our fort there in the background. We're down here cutting up some of our supports, or some of our planks, if you will.
Okay, so we're gonna cut down this big tree right here for our fort down there. Ready to fall.
A little relief cut with the hatchet on the front side. And be ready to fall.
Whoa! Yeah, I did. At least most of it.
All right, so we are worn out. We got our beams lashed off to that far tree, and we've got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of our platform planks up there. They're not tied down or organized yet, but we'll get them in there and make sure everything is secure the next time we come out. The good thing is those first ones are the longest, and as always, we're using our paracord to measure them out and go get them close. We'll cut them down afterwards. But as we get further and further down, we're getting about 3 of our planks per tree right now. But as that triangle shortens up, we're hoping we'll get 5 to 7 out of most of the trees we take down. And we're picking and choosing so we don't pull them all from one area, so a lot of dragging trees up and down the hill. So I'm whooped. Kids are tired. We're gonna go pack up and hike in.